I think this is how dumpling look when them ready. Alright people, dumpling 101. When you cook dumpling, make sure you cook extra. So the leftover one, you get to fry it in the morning because this is the best part. Yeah. Alright, so some people like for them dumpling crispy, some people not like it crispy. But I like when you have a little golden brown color, so I always flip it over 2 times and make 2 sides. Double coating, yes, see there. Alright, now that you see the chicken now, you have to take it off of the bone, you have to debone it and cook it up. I don't know something about it, make it just taste nicer the way here. And you put it on top of the fried dumpling and make a dumpling sandwich. Yeah. Yeah. That me I talk about. Get some minty, but this is the tea bag minty, not the original right now. But they go on still can